Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play open world in Ride 4. It's important to understand that Ride 4 is primarily a realistic motorcycle racing simulator, not a traditional open world title. Therefore, the only way to experience something akin to open world riding is through its dedicated free roam mode. This unique feature allows you to explore tracks at your own pace, offering a distinct experience from competitive racing. We'll dive into how to access and enjoy this mode. To begin your open world-like adventure, simply navigate to the main menu of Ride 4. From there, you'll want to select the single race option. Within this section, look for and choose either track day or free roam as your desired game mode. Next, you can pick from over 30 meticulously recreated circuits, and then select any of the over 200 licensed motorcycles available to you. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you're in free roam, the track is yours to command. This is an excellent opportunity to practice your racing lines, refine your cornering techniques, and truly master each circuit. You can also experiment with various motorcycle setups, fine-tuning your bike's performance without the pressure of a race. Enjoy the incredibly detailed track environments and dynamic weather conditions, riding at your own pace, and simply immersing yourself in the pure joy of motorcycling. It's crucial to set your expectations correctly. While free roam offers unparalleled freedom on the track, it is not a true open-world game in the traditional sense. You won't find an expansive, interconnected map, nor will there be missions, non-player characters, or dynamic events. The experience is centered on realistic riding simulation within the defined boundaries of each circuit. This mode provides a fantastic, unconstrained track experience, perfect for honing skills and enjoying the ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.